Thank you very much for the invitation to come here and share my knowledge with the newer generation here in Russia and other parts of the Central Asia, right? Because it's not only the Russian students, but also people coming from other regions in neighboring Russia. Well, my general impressions are essentially on two things. I've been only here for a few hours, but so far I can see definitely the quality of the students is extremely high. They have been well selected. I don't know how the selection process went, but it was definitely really good. Very intelligent students and individuals, very friendly as well, as I imagined as well. The Russians tend to be very warm once you are part of their inner circle, so I really love that part. The quality of the other teachers and professors seems to be extremely high as well, present and past as well, so my general impressions are extremely good so far. Judging from this edition of the summer school, I would say this is outstanding in many ways, because first of all, it is the only, or seems to be the only, if not the only, the biggest summer school in this region. So that makes it quite unique, and it covers a very large region. So and then outstanding reason number one. Outstanding reason number two, I believe also that I've never seen a summer school specialized on international dispute settlement, covering so many diverse systems. And so I think that's quite unique. I've never seen something like that. I've been invited to teach in other parts of the world, and I've never been a participant of this type of full focus on international dispute settlement. The first thing is to understand that limits in your mind are only an illusion, and sometimes you need to break those boundaries within your own head and with your own self in order to achieve greater goals. I mean, I am from Mexico. I am the first lawyer in the family that specializes in international law. I come from Mexico City, which is a big city in Latin America, but certainly I have no background in international affairs before, so it's everything. I'm a self-made international lawyer, and I think that what has worked for me was to travel to other places to learn with the best professors. So I had visualization in my mind whenever I was in law school to learn from, back in the day, was John Jackson, Georgetown. So when I wanted to study the master's degree, I went to Georgetown to study with John Jackson. And then when I learned about John Jackson, which is a key scholar for WTO law for my special, for my field, I learned about Jos Pavolin, and I said, well, I want to study my PhD with him, so that's what I did. And so I think breaking those inner boundaries and understanding that traveling abroad and coming close to those who know more than you is essential. And other than that, there's a little bit of a pinch of luck, of course, because you need to have a little bit of luck in life, and that includes your professional life. But if you keep at it, I think if you study hard, you're dedicated, I think you can achieve your goals.